In JavaScript, what is an event? So basically, event is nothing but like whenever we click on a button, so one event is getting generated. Whenever I type any text into search bar, again one event is happening. Whenever I scroll over the web page, again one event is happening. So such whatever user actions are there that are called as event, or any system generated notification, such as system may be giving any security notification or any memory related notification. All those can be considered as a event, such as system telling how what is the current time right now. That is system generated notification. Time has been generated by the system, not by user. So such things are called as event. So the correct option over here is a user action or system generated notification. A function call, no. A variable declaration, no. A loop iteration, no. Event is a user action or system generated notification. So what does the term dashboard refer to in the context of websites? So why this question is because there is a concept called as creating dashboards in DCET syllabus. So that's why this question has been added. So dashboard means a web page with real-time data representation. Like whenever you log into your Aadhaar website, you want to see the updates you have done in your Aadhaar, the biometric changes you have done in your Aadhaar, and the status of your Aadhaar card processing, everything into your like for each user, separate information should be there. A real-time information or a real-time data should be there. That is called as a dashboard. And this kind of web page is called as dashboard. So the correct option is option B, a web page with real-time data representation. An animated logo, no. Security feature, dashboard is not a security feature. A type of font styling, no. Dashboard means a web page which is containing real-time data of a particular user. What is the purpose of a web server in the context of a client server model? So the web server, whatever we have, it is responsible for to get the request coming from the client and to send response. So the options such as display web pages, sending resources, manage client-side scripts, all these are incorrect. The correct option over here is uh, sending resources. Option B, sending resources. So what is the purpose of a web server? It is to send resources. Whenever client requests for a particular uh, resource, the server should be sending it. Managing client-side scripts is done by the client. Establishing internet connection is the job of the network, not a server. Displaying web pages is done by the client. The server will be responsible for sending resources. Which component is responsible for converting domain name into IP address in the DNS? So we have DNS resolver, domain registrar, DNS server, IP resolver. So whenever we talk about the a component which is responsible for converting domain names such as amazon.com into its particular IP address, there are different components involved in it. The main thing over here is DNS server. So whatever DNS server we have, it is responsible for translating the domain names into IP address. So remember the correct option over here is option C, DNS server, which converts domain name into respective IP address in the DNS system. SEO, which we have already discussed one question. SEO stands for a search engine optimization. As I told, it is used for updating or increasing the search index rankings of any particular website. So SEO is one of the important concepts whenever we want to improve the website's efficiency. So the correct option is option B, search engine optimization. So other options are incorrect. Next question. In the context of web technologies, what does the term client refer to? whenever we talk about a client, what does it refer to? So client refers to any device such as my laptop, whatever mobile phones, or any kind of device, whatever we are having, and whatever browser we are using to make a request, that is called as a client. Such as I am opening a Chrome and I am trying to open a Netflix website. So that particular device, like laptop, with particular browser such as Chrome, both together are normally called as a client. So the correct option over here is user's device or a browser. So any particular device or browser that I'm using, that is called as a client. And whatever web server we have, it is called as a server. Database server is called as either a database or a server. ISP is related to networking, not related to client nor server. Which protocol is commonly used for secure communication over the internet? Um, there are again four options given over here: HTTP, FTP, HTTPS, TCP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. FTP is used for the file transfer. Whenever we want to have a file transfer between two devices, we will be using FTP. TCP is one of the protocols, such as transmission control protocol. It is called as the most reliable protocol for the communication, for the streamline between the devices. The HTTP and HTTPS are hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS stands for hypertext transfer protocol with secure, means it has some secure feature. Apart from secure feature, HTTP and HTTPS are almost similar, but whenever you see any particular website, most of them are used with the secure communication. So whenever we have a secure communication between websites, between client and server in terms of data communication, data serialization, or any other process, it is done with the help of HTTPS. So option C, HTTPS is the correct option. So these are some of the questions which are important in perspective of DCET examination. Please go through these questions and similar questions and try to understand the concepts. I hope this video helped you to learn the concepts of web development, and it has revised you whatever you have learned on the basic web design and web development concepts. Thank you for watching this video.